Hello everyone. I built an AI job finder where I only need to send a job domain in Telegram. The workflow search real job platform, analyze the result with AI, rank the best opportunities, send them back to Telegram and save everything in Google Sheets. Let me show you how it works. The workflow has 5 main parts. First, Telegram receives the search request. Then Gemini understands the domain and creates a better search query. After that, I search two different job sources, Adzuna and Remotive. Then AI analyzes and ranks the jobs, and finally the best result are sent to Telegram and saved in Google Sheets. The first node is the Telegram trigger. This is basically the user interface of the workflow. Instead of opening a website or filling out of a form, I just send a message to my Telegram bot. The next node extract the domain and also save the Telegram chat ID. The chat ID is important because later workflow knows exactly where to send the result. I also have some configuration here, like the number of results, the country for Adzona, and how recent the job should be. Now, this is the first AI part. I send the user's domain to Gemini, then I ask a simple request like AI automation and turn it into a better search query with related keywords. For example, it includes workflow automation, n8n, automation engineer, API integration, or AI integration. This helps the workflow find more relevant jobs instead of searching only for one exact phrase. I also use a structured output parser, so I return the search plan in a predictable format. The first job source is Adzona. This node sends the AI generated search query to Adzona API. It also sends parameters like the country, maximum age of the job listing, and the number of the results. Adzona returns real job listing with information like the title, company location, description, salary when available, publication date, and application URL. Then I normalize this data so every job has the same structure. The second source is Remotive. Remotive focuses mainly on remote jobs. The workflow sends the same search query to Remotive API and gets another group of job opportunities. Then I normalize these results as well. So now, both Adzona and Remotive jobs have the same fields. This makes it much easier to combine and analyze them later. After that, the workflow combines jobs from both APIs into one list. So, instead of checking multiple job websites manually, I now have one database containing all the available opportunities. The workflow also checks if any job were actually found. If nothing is found, the Telegram bot simply tells the user to try another broader search. Now, we reach the most important part of the workflow. Gemini receives the job candidates and analyzes them. It removes obvious duplicate and gives every job a relevance score from 0 to 100. The AI looks at things like the job title, description, required skills, and how closely the opportunity matched the original domain. It also considers the quality and recency of the listening. Then, it selects only the best jobs. I limited final output to maximum of 10 results. And again, I'm using a structured output parser so the result is always consistent. Next, I format the result into one clean Telegram message. For every opportunity, I include the job title, the company, the relevance score, the location, salary if available, the source, a short explanation of why the job is relevant, and the direct application link. Then, the report is automatically sent back to the same Telegram chat that started the workflow. At the same time, I split the top job into individual items and save them in Google Sheets. For each job, I saw the search date, domain, rank, score, title, company, location, salary, source, job URL, skills, and status. This gives me a simple database where I can track all the job I found. Now, let's test the workflow. I'm going to send developer, engineer. Then execute the workflow. The Telegram trigger receive message. Gemini create the search plan. Then Adzuna search for jobs. Remotive search for remote opportunities. The workflow combines the results. And here we have the final results. The workflow finds best matching jobs and send them directly to Telegram. And if I open Google Sheets, I can see the same job saved automatically. So I don't need to copy or organize anything manually. So with one Telegram message, this workflow search multiple job sources, use AI to rank the opportunities, sends me the best jobs, and automatically track them in Google Sheets. That was the full workflow. Thank you for watching.